Hi, this is just a quick video on how I fixed this Dyson DC41 upright vacuum cleaner. So first of all, what the problem was is that normally the suction should be directed up to the handle if the vacuum is in the upright position like this, and then that's for using the attachments. If you tilt it back like that, that should shift the suction so it's directed toward the floor. So the problem was that was something broke and that wasn't happening. So the suction continued to be directed toward the handle even when the vacuum was tilted back like that. Okay, now I've got the vacuum cleaner tipped over onto its side. It is in the position where it was upright, so the handle straight up. And the first step is going to be to remove this cover from the filter on the left-hand side of the vacuum. Okay, here's the filter. You give that a turn and take it off. Now, one thing I should mention is that I've already made this repair. I wasn't going to re-break my vacuum cleaner just for this video. So this is the part right here that was the problem. And this corner right here had broken off. So the trick was to actually fix this piece, and that's what I'm going to show you how to do. So if yours broke the same way mine did, this little end of this piece is broken off, and so these two pieces will actually be disconnected and kind of loose. And it's tempting to try to figure out how to glue those together in place, but I don't think you're going to get a good enough bond. So I highly recommend that you actually remove the whole piece, which requires detaching this little tensioning piece here, which for that you need a number 8 Torx bit, and I just happen to have this little set, and if you don't have one, it's probably worth a trip to Home Depot to get it. It's part number 165355, and so I'm going to use the T8 bit for that, and I'm going to remove this. Okay, now that that's removed, this piece can be taken out. Again, when it's broken, that's actually going to be in 2 pieces. There's this little post will be attached to a very small nub, and the rest of it will be attached to the remaining part. I'm assuming these break in a similar way. That's why I was making this video. So I have already done this repair. You can see these little pieces here are not original. Those are just little short lengths of a small zip tie, and I used Gorilla Glue to glue these. And I'm going to show you one more thing that I think was important, which is I took a little scrap of wood and drilled 2 holes in it that were the same distance apart as these posts, and use this as a little holding jig for when I did the gluing. So you may, I don't know if you want to use Gorilla Glue or something else, but whatever you use, clamping is probably going to be important. So I use those to hold those in place, and then then you can use some kind of a clamp to clamp together the pieces. So I did that first, let it dry, and then just because I thought this was obviously susceptible to breaking after that first step dried, I just cut these little short lengths of zip tie and Gorilla Glued those across the boundaries of where the breakage had happened. So that's really it. I don't think waste your time on the video putting it back together. It's pretty straightforward. I'm just going to put that back where it was, screw that back on, and reassemble the thing. That's it. Hope this helped. Thanks.